Okay, hello everyone, welcome back. For today, we're gonna continuing our, tutorial about how to load your mikrotik and cisco to your GNS. First of all, well, we go to edit and to preference. For the mikrotik, we go to Camo VMS. This is mine. I call it microc. But just in case, we create new one, and we can run this Camo VM or local computer and GNS. For this, let's say it was a local computer. And after that, we name it literally everything. Just for this one, we call it lob. After that, we create its, binary and RAM and telnet. And basically, we just say finish and done. We create for mikrotik. Well, next one. I'm just gonna delete it anyway because I already have one. For why mine was have different, different icon. It's wait a second. Let's just go. Okay, and we go to where was it? Here. We can configure a template, and we go to here. We can find the one you need, the symbol. You can practically use anything. Wait a second, there's a little bit of loading. And here, you can search practically everything. But for mine, I'm using that one. I'm gonna delete it because I already have one, okay? So don't ask why. I delete it anyway later. It's locked and I'm gonna delete it. Good. For the next one, we're gonna use the Cisco. For the Cisco, it's a little bit trickier, but don't worry, we can do it. But first thing first, for the Cisco, we're gonna use VM. So I can use the diversity of gns3. First, we need to enable gns3 VM, and next, we're gonna use the VMware. Mine was already created before, so it's automatically open the gns3 VM. Here, I have the gns3 VM. Where did I download it? I downloaded it in the, in the file before, the R41. In there, you can find the for gns3 for the VM one. You need to download it and upload it in here. If you don't know how to use it or open it, you can watch my previous video. And after we open it, we can check if it's already connected by here, because the VM name was automatically named after what VM you have. Before it was Pinet, but now it was gns3 since I have it. So we just say okay, and since we already have it, we go to preferences, gns3 VM. After that, we go to dynamic and IS router. Here, we can just go new. For mine, I've already created two of them, the C7200 and Etherwitch router. We create new and click on this one, the VM. And here, usually you cannot use it. Why? Because apparently for the Cisco one, there are literally a lot of image. So you need to download it yourself on online. I'm not gonna give it to you since there's literally a lot of them, and not all of them is working. Since some of them you need the IRC and more like that. But if you have one like mine, you can just go next, and you can name it practically everything. Next for the full RAM, and this one for the slot. Okay, and here let's just say finish, and boom, you already create one. But if you do it in the first time, it's gonna literally loading for quite a long time. It's gonna take some time, but that's no problem. But I guess that's all from me, since that's what I learned before. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.